So in the spirit of the customer service week, we want to use this medium to appreciate you. Thank you so much to our customers, our clients, appreciating you for watching our videos. My name is Jeff Anozie. I am your favorite real estate consultant based right here in Enugu, but our scope of service is in real estate, lands and houses purchase, right, and maintenance. Now we're also going into rentals within Independence layout and GRA. We've gotten a lot of calls around that area. So yes, we are expanding. Yup. And we also got a new office space. Yes, we got a new office space somewhere in GRA. Okay, because we know that a couple of you are going to be coming back. All right, in GRA Enugu. Yes, we are based in Enugu actually, but we cover Owerri, we cover Abakaliki, we cover Oka and Enugu for now, right? So within these few weeks, like the last 2 weeks, we've been doing a lot of expansion, and we're actually moving into our own office by maybe next week, around next week. We're just trying to put finishing touches to make it ready for you when you visit us right here in Enugu. I'm excited, are you? Thank you so much to all our clients abroad, all our clients here in Nigeria. You all are amazing. Thank you for trusting us enough to buy your land from us and your houses from us. Thank you to our clients in Australia. I'm tempted to mention names. Well, I will not mention names. All right. Thank you for our clients in Australia, in the US, in Texas, especially in Dublin, in everywhere. We really appreciate you. Thank you for trusting us enough to buy your property from us. I'm actually waiting for a client somewhere around Opera Square, and I just thought to use the opportunity to make this video whilst I wait for her. We're going on an inspection, and I just think my heart is full of joy. I'm totally appreciative of the fact that you're even watching this video right now. For as many as have subscribed to this channel, I appreciate you. For as many as have been watching our videos, we totally appreciate you. Please, if you're just seeing me today, you're just watching this channel, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, be a part of what we are doing here, as you will benefit, as well as also help us propagate the gospel of safe and profitable real estate investment right here in Enugu. Say a bit of myself again. I'm Jeff Anozie. I am the lead marketer or consultant. I am married with 2 children, and I would love to meet you too. If you don't mind dropping a comment in the comment box down there, you just introduce yourself briefly. Your name and the country you are actually tuning in from will be enough in case you don't want to go any further. But by and large, I totally appreciate you. Thank you for always watching. Thank you for always being here. And again, if you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, like this video. I appreciate you. Enjoy a fantastic day, and bye for now.